So this lecture we are going to solve the question number 6 from page number 59. Archana and Prerna are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:1. What is the ratio? 2:1. Matlab 2/3 for Archana, 1/3 for Prerna. Okay. With the help of the following trial balance and the adjustments given below required to prepare trading profit and loss account and balance. You should read the information which is given about trial balance. मैं ट्रायल बैलेंस च्या वरती दिलेली इन्फॉर्मेशन ही नेहमी वाचायला पाहिजे. You should read. Sometimes you know that information given about trial balance is also containing one small adjustment. So it is always better to read the problem completely. Now look at trial balance. What for? There are two aspects. Number one, now any hidden adjustment is given to you. Nothing to the debit side, nothing to the credit side. No hidden adjustment given to you. Okay. Secondly, whether current accounts are given to you. Again, current accounts are not given in the debit balances as well as credit balances. So this is a fluctuating capital method. Now look at the adjustment section. Stock is valued on 31st March 2019 at cost price 12,000, market price 17,000. We are going to select the cost price because that is lower one. Our customer, Mr. Shekhar, failed to pay his dues 800. These are bad debts. Now tick mark your debtors. Tick mark bad debts. And there is a RDD given to you in the credit balances, which is a very small amount, 500 only. Okay. मतलब आपको जो ओल्ड आरडीडी दिया है वो छोटा सा अमाउंट है, फिर भी हम लोग एक काम करते हैं, उसको लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे ओल्ड आरडीडी. As and when it is given, it is better you write it down somewhere. Okay. Then bad debts are given to you in the problem. But the problem में bad debts दिया है. This is called as the old bad debts. Old bad debts are rupees 200. And as per second adjustment, new bad debts are. That is from Shekhar. He is our customer and he failed to pay rupees 800. There is no further new RDD given to you. आपको new RDD वगैरह दिया नहीं है. Okay, that means actually we are going to take the total here. So the bad debts total is more than the old RDD. So it will appear to the debit side of the profit and loss account. हमको confirm करके रखना चाहिए. 1/8 of the patents are to be written off. Tick mark patents को tick mark करो. Then the next is very important. Your attention required. Part of the furniture 5,000 purchased on October 2018. By the way, this is not an adjustment. This is the information. Why it is given to you for proper calculation of a depreciation. Okay. तो आपको अभी ऐसा करना है फिलहाल फर्नीचर जो है उसके सामने आपको लिखना है. ओके. उसके सामने लिखना है ब्रैकेट में लिखना है रुपीस 5,000 परचेज ऑन October 2018 like this. इस तरह से ब्रैकेट में लिख दो. Then depreciation, building and furniture. Tick mark land and building and furniture. Then thereafter, what is given to you is outstanding expenses are wages and electricity charges. Tick mark wages, tick mark electricity charges. Allow interest on capital 3%. So it is directly having the effect on capital. You can tick mark capital of Archana and Prerna. इसको tick mark कर सकते हो. Okay. Now this particular problem is having certain new items which are given in trial balance. Okay. And you need to focus on that. Opening stock. So April 2018 वाला stock है. By the way, trading account is containing 4-5 items. मतलब वहाँ पे आपको एक 4-5 लाइन, एक 6-7 लाइन छोड़ दो, चलो जा 6-7 लाइन छोड़ के आपको इस तरह से करना है. Opening stock. trading account debit side 8,560 rupees. 8560. Patents, debtors, balance sheet asset. Patents are P's are 2,000. Inner column. Sundry debtors, balance sheet assets. Inner column 18,500. It is having only one adjustment. The next item is very important. Okay, I would like to ask you a question. Kindly reply me. This is given to you as a stock of stationery. It is not only stationery or pending stationery. It is given as a stock of stationery where you will record. आप कहाँ पे लिखोगे बताओ? Where you will record the given item stock of stationery. It is given in trial balance. आप कहाँ पे लिखने वाले हो?
Balance sheet asset.
बोलो बोलो बोलो. Where to record? एक मिनिट मी जरा मला असं वाटतं की माझा याचा आवाज कमी आहे. मला कुठेतरी आन्सर दिलं पण असेल. Yes. Please reply me again. Where to record? Hello? Where to record the stock of stationery given in trial balance? Where it will appear?
Trading account.
No, not trading account. It is not a
Profit
stock
and
of.
loss account credit side.
वो कहाँ पे आएगा?
Profit and loss account credit side.
No, 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 no.
Asset of balance sheet.
It is to be recorded to balance sheet asset. Correct answer is the balance sheet asset because that is the stock of stationery. Stock of stationery. But आपने stationery use किया है already and remaining is your asset of course. मी तुम्हाला एक example देतो. समजा तुम्ही तुमच्याकडे 10 notebooks आहेत 10 notebooks. Okay. Out of that तुम्ही 7 notebooks वापरल्या. 7 notebooks are utilized. 3 notebooks are remaining. That is your stock. Okay. Now these 3 notebooks are your assets. Assets आहेत ना तुमच्या त्या. Okay. Now the next is the trademark. That is also asset. Trademark, patents, copyrights, trademark. I told you, no, these are something new items for you. Trademark. ट्रेडमार्क मतलब जैसे ट्रेडमार्क होता है देखो टाटा का टी होता है बजाज का बी होता है like that. This is called as a trademark. Okay. Then there is a bills receivable also balance sheet asset. I am writing always in the short form. In the examination, better you write in the full form. 6,300. Electricity charges, profit and loss account, debit side to electricity. And record in the inner column bills. 1,450. 1540. Then wages, leaving 2 lines. Purchases के लिए purchase return है ये पहले ही आपको देखना चाहिए. And wages are to be recorded to trading account debit side but inner column. Okay. Heating and lighting. By the way, the heating is the production process. Heating and lighting. So to be recorded trading account debit side. Heating and lighting. Heating and lighting is a 1,000. Okay. Now please reply me where you are going to record trade expenses. कहाँ पे आप record करने वाले?
Profit and loss account debit.
Yes, because other things like a general expenses, sundry expenses, office expenses are not given to you. So trade expenses alone given to you. Okay, only one item. So will appear to the profit and loss account debit 850. 850. Sales returns are 400 minus from sales So the sales are given to you rupees 30,200 minus from that sales return, and the sales returns are rupees 400. Outer column now it is 29,800. So sales minus sales return. Land and building. Balance sheet assets. Inner column 22,000. It is subject to adjustment. Furniture. Your attention required, please. Furniture given to you 13,000. But according to information given in adjustment number 4, out of this 13,000, write in the bracket, rupees 5,000 purchased. It is purchased on October 2018. October 2018. ये आपको ब्रैकेट में लिखना है. Okay. मतलब वो 5,000 rupees not to be added, not to be deducted. Add भी नहीं करना है, less भी नहीं करना है. But while calculating the depreciation, we are going to consider this particular information. Very important. Okay. अगर इस तरह से दिया है तो ब्रैकेट में लिखो और उसको छोड़ दो. Then there is a cash at bank 5,000 rupees. Cash at bank rupees 5,000. Then investment also assets. Investment 7,500. Drawings, लेकिन उसके पहले कैपिटल लिखना पड़ेगा. Write the capital of Archana. Archana's capital is 40,000 rupees. Write in the inner column, leaving 3 lines, you minus from that drawings of Archana. So Archana's drawings are 1,200. Then Prerana. The amount of capital of Prerana is 20,000. Leaving 3 lines minus from that drawings of Prerana. So Prerana's drawings are 900. Bad debts. Profit and loss account debit side. Inner column 200. इसके लिए आपको 2 लाइन छोड़ना पड़ेगा. One for addition of new bad debts and one for subtraction of old already. Purchases are 23,700. Look at the credit balances. Purchase returns are given to you 1,000. Right here, purchases. Record in the inner column 23,700. Minus from that purchase return. Purchase return 1,000. Outer column now it is coming 22,700. Now out of the credit balances, capital तो हम लिख चुके हैं. Other loans, very important. This is to be recorded to liabilities side. Other loans. Other loans are rupees 3,000. Reserve fund. Balance sheet liability side. Reserve fund is 1,000. Then sundry creditors. Liabilities side. Creditors are rupees 17,500. Okay. Then bills payable. liabilities side rupees 5,000. ऑलरेडी हम लिख चुके हैं, सेल्स भी हम लिख चुके हैं, इंटरेस्ट प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, द क्रेडिट साइड is by interest. Amount is 310 rupees. Now something about reserve fund I want to explain again. The reserve fund or general reserve, which is given in trial balance in partnership final accounts, it is to be recorded to balance sheet liability. But what do you mean by reserve fund or general reserve? It is the profit of the firm, okay, earned by the firm in the previous years and which is not distributed between partners. It is kept in the business for the further future business expansion. That is only called as a reserve fund or general reserve. मतलब reserve fund जो है वो profit होता है, पिछले 2-3 साल का या 1 साल का भी हो सकता है, जो पार्टनर्स ने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं करवाया है. It is kept aside. Okay. For what purpose? For the purpose of business expansion in future. This is only called as a reserve fund or general reserve. It is to be recorded to balance sheet liability side. But remember what I said in case of partnership final accounts. Partnership final, the final account में ये general reserve fund कहाँ पे जाने वाला है? Balance sheet liability side में जाने वाला है. Okay. For the next chapter, like admission of partner, retirement of the partner, okay, death of partner or dissolution of partnership firm, this reserve fund will be distributed between partners. Partners को हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? Distribute करने वाले हैं. But that is for different purpose. For the purpose of admission, retirement, death or dissolution. In this case, it is only to be recorded to liabilities. Okay, now proceed with the adjustment number 1, closing. So हम लोग 12,000 लेने वाले हैं. Trading account credit and to be recorded balance in assets. Closing stock, trading credit and balance in assets. 12,000. Our customer Shekhar failed to pay his dues 800. These are bad debts. Bad debts. You can also write in the bracket the name of that debtor. Debtor मतलब customer. Okay. जिसने हमको चूना लगा दिया. So less from debtors and adding bad debts as a new bad debts. New bad debts. Okay. और यहाँ से हम लोग old RDD माइनस करने वाले हैं. We are going to subtract old RDD. So outer column is your net amount which is required to show as a loss or to write off. Write off मैंने कहा. Write off करायचं म्हणजे काय करायचं? Showing the expenditure as a revenue expenditure, that is called as a write off, written off. तो हम लोगों ने अभी बैड डेट्स राइट ऑफ कर दिया, मतलब उसमें वो प्रॉफिट से कम कर दिया, चलो लॉस हो गया हमारा. 1/8 of the patent is written off. What do you mean by again written off? 1/8 written off का मतलब होता है less from your patents, यहाँ से माइनस करना है. 1/8 written off. Okay. तो कैलकुलेट करा, what is 1/8 of 2,000 rupees? That is 2,000 divided by 8. 2,000 divided by 8. Calculate करून मला सांगा किती येतं. 2,000 divided by 8. It is 250.
250.
Yes, 250. Less from patents. Less from patents. And return off. So profit and loss account debit to the two patents. 250. In the bracket you write W/off. showing as a revenue expenditure मतलब to be recorded to either trading account debit side or profit and loss account debit side. Here this is appearing to the profit and loss account debit side. And showing as a capital expenditure मतलब recorded as an asset. Number 4 is the information I told you. Okay. Part of the furniture 5,000 purchased on October 2018. Okay. Now, actually, this is information not to be added, not to be deducted. No effect is to be given. ये बस information है और कुछ भी नहीं है. फिर करना क्या है? बस ब्रैकेट में लिखना है. Rupees 5,000 purchased on October 2018. Number 5. Depreciation building 10%, furniture 5%. Building का depreciation 10% है. उसको कट करो. Outer column 19,800. Okay. And very important is the calculation of a depreciation on furniture. Now your attention is required. Please write a working note with me. Depreciation on furniture. Depreciation on furniture. You cannot calculate 5% directly on 13,000. अब 13,000 के ऊपर 5% कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते हो. फिर क्या करना चाहिए? देखो आपको इस तरह से करना चाहिए. 13,000 is the amount given to you. Okay. Opening balance is 8,000 and newly purchased, that is purchased on October 2018. That is 5,000. So how it is 13,000? 8,000 plus 5,000. 8,000 plus 5,000. मतलब 5,000 हमने अक्टूबर में लिया तो पहले से कितना होना चाहिए था? 8,000 होना चाहिए था. मतलब पहले से हमारे पास फर्नीचर 8,000 था, न्यू 5,000 लिया. अब डेप्रिसिएशन कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? डू यू रिमेम्बर द चैप्टर डेप्रिसिएशन? ओके, हमने किस तरह से कैलकुलेट किया था? On 8,000 for full year 400 and 5% on 5,000. For how many months we should calculate? Please tell me. Come on. How many months depreciation is to be charged for 5,000? Bolo, bolo.
6 months.
6 months. Why 6 months? From 1st October 2018, date of purchasing till the year end, 31st March 2018. So we should calculate 5% depreciation for 6 months. Okay, 6 months depreciation. So 5% calculate किया तो 1,250 आएगा. 6 months का 125 आएगा. So your total depreciation is to be charged is 525 rupees. This is the total depreciation to be charged. Total depreciation to be charged on furniture is 525. On 8,000 full year and on 5,000 for half year. Okay. Okay. Now lease from building and furniture का second effect देना बाकी है ना? And the profit and loss account debit side, depreciation on building is 2,200 and on furniture it is 525. So now it is 5,725. 5,725. Outstanding expenses are wages 300, electricity charges rupees 200. So add in the wages, outstanding wages 300, outer column 1,250. Add in the electricity, outstanding electricity 200, outer column 1,650. तो wages में ऐड करो, electricity में ऐड करो and balance sheet liabilities side outstanding wages and electricity. 300 and 200. Total 500. Allow 3% interest on capital. See, this is a fluctuating capital method. We are always calculating that percentage of the interest on capital on the amount of capital. So actually for Archana, add here 3% interest. अब इसका 3% मतलब मैं orally calculate करता हूँ 1,200 and for Prerna 3% interest on capital. So it is 3 2 6. It is coming 600 rupees. Okay. So the interest on capital for Archana 1,200, for Prerna it is 600. What to do? Add in capital, add in capital, add in capital, add in capital, profit and loss account debit. Profit and loss account debit, interest on capital. Add in capital and profit and loss account debit में आप किस तरह से लिखोगे? इस तरह से लिखना है अर्चना 1200 and प्रेरणा 600 इनर कॉलम में लिख के आउटर कॉलम में टोटल जाएगा. ओके come on, you are all requested to do the totaling job. करो. But remember that the profit is to be distributed in the ratio 2:1. Profit distribute करो और यहाँ पे add करो और बाद में tally करो. Come on, do it now, please. Your time starts now. 5 मिनिटात झालं पाहिजे. 5 minutes, 5 minutes only. Don't look at the board. You complete on your own. So your gross profit is 8,290. Net profit is 825 rupees. Distribution in the ratio 2:1. मतलब 2/3 to Archana is 550 and 1/3 to Prerna 275 rupees. So net profit add drawings minus for Archana 40,000 plus 1,200 plus 550. So 41,750 minus 1,200 drawings. So amount finally 40,550. For Prerna, it is 20,000 plus 600 plus net profit 275. Total 20,875 rupees minus drawings 900. Outer column it is 19,975 rupees. अब tally करो. So that is the answer. So you can see that steadily, slowly, but firmly we are going ahead. हम लोग जा रहे आगे. Okay. वेदांतरी मला परत कळवले की स्क्रीन व्यवस्थित दिसत नाहीये. वेदांत तू फक्त तुझी कंप्लेंट आहे. जरा तुझं नेटवर्क चेक कर रे बाबा प्लीज. Please check your network. Okay, friend, that's all for question number 6. Okay. Next lecture, next question, number 7. Okay.